Hello, this is Jolanta from the YouTube channel English with an Erudite. I would like you to take a look at my blue and white border. I must say, I think this border has seen better days already. Yesterday we had a sudden downpour, really heavy downpour. There was a river going down my street, and I think on one hand all the plants are very happy right now after so much rain. On the other, well, they don't look their best, I'm afraid. So what grows here? A lot of bells, mainly of the white variety. There was some white and blue lunaria as well, but it's over right now. A new dawn rose. I think it's going to continue flowering throughout the summer if I remember about deadheading it regularly. Then two very, very healthy aspirin roses. Look at this flower and the leaves. Really healthy. It's a very, very healthy and disease resistant rose. I've got two of them. I must show you my little medical experiment because I'm a little bit eccentric, as you might have guessed. So I broke this stem a few days ago, and I decided to use my very basic medical training, and I put a sort of dressing on the stem. And look, it seems to have healed, and the rose is flowering. So I'm very happy, and I decided to repeat the medical experiment because while weeding this border, I'm sorry, my hands look terrible, but you know, you gardeners, you know why I'm in the middle of weeding. So I hope this flower, these buds are going to survive me being very careless around them. And there is also a new rose here. Look, this is Rose Romantic by Coldest. It is its first flower. Rose Romantic sometimes has a more pinkish tinge, but this one is rather orangey. So I'm looking forward to more flowers. The white Weigelia finished flowering about 2 weeks ago. The Deutzia, which grows just by the Rose Romantic, has almost finished flowering, so I have to cut it back very fast as it develops flowers on the previous year's growth. I've noticed some larkspur as well. I think I've got white and blue larkspur. So I'm waiting for it to open its first flowers, and I'm also waiting for the two hydrangeas which I planted in the autumn, and I suppose they are white as well. So, you know, a word of warning. If you're starting a garden and you think that naturalistic garden like mine might be low maintenance, think twice about it, please, because there's so much work to do and so little time to do it. But anyway, that's the beauty of it and the joy of it, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.